Bike fit is ensuring the rider fits very well with the bike and combines a decent relationship between the two, so that the rider goes faster, gets injured less, and enjoys their time on the bike more. Generally, the rider should feel happier on their bike, they should feel more connected to their bike, and have a better riding experience because of what we have done. A complete bike fit, we're looking to raise that bar between the standard or industry standard at the moment. We're looking to take that little bit further by having physiotherapists perform the bike fit with a deep understanding of anatomy and the application of that anatomy towards what is already a very well understood and well documented approach to rider and bike together to ensure people go faster, get injured less, and have a better time on their bike, enjoy cycling more. Depending on the rider and their amount of experience previously, we have seen results from people increasing their FTP by almost 30-35 watts to people increasing their Strava segments and shaving minutes off of a Richmond Park lap, for example, or setting PBs on particular time trials or hill sprints. I think for the majority of people, if you've never had a bike fit before, it is the most useful thing to go faster and predominantly enjoy your experience of cycling more. Yes, you'll go faster, yes, you'll have better aerodynamics. Most people will enjoy the experience, and I assure you, feeling comfortable on the bike, not having back pain, neck pain after 2 hours, being limited by injuries, aches, pains, concerns about aches and pains or worry, it will set you free on the bike and you'll be able to cycle for longer and hopefully just basically be a lot happier on the bike. That's what we're looking to achieve.